Hi, I'm Robin Clarke. Today I want to give you a tool that you can use for bringing more calm into your life whenever you feel more stressed out, anxious, or depressed. Okay, it's called a soothing kit. And this is something that you can actually assemble and have at the ready that you can use when you're feeling stirred up and emotional, out of sorts, anxious, or depressed. Okay, so first off, it's going to be about that we're going to try and engage as many of the five senses as we can. Okay, so the more the five senses that you use, the more calming, actually, more potent your soothing kit will be for you. So let's start out with the eyes. Okay, so what you can see, in other words. So perhaps there's a picture in your house, or there's a window with a view, or you've got a picture on your phone. Something that when you look at this, you feel calm, happy, thankful, can be perhaps a reminder of great memories, a place of beauty. Okay, so these are just kind of getting the ideas rolling for you. A lot of people perhaps, I'm thinking of common ones would be, say, the beach. A lot of people find the beach or the ocean calming, or a lake, or perhaps the woods, or a garden with beautiful flowers. Whatever it is, make it unique to you, or something that speaks to you, okay? So actually get that picture. And then the next sense, all right, so ears, hearing. So perhaps there's a fun song that takes you back there to that place and represented in that picture, or nature sounds. You know, if it's a garden, maybe it's picture of sounds of birds, or if it's a waterfall picture, then the sound of rushing water. Whatever is calming for you, okay? I'm just giving you ideas, but make it unique to you and something that speaks to you. Okay, then let's move to the nose. So smell. Where there's some smells, you know, that just take you back there and bring you a sense of calm, you know, essential oils. Lavender is a very common fragrance that people find very calming. Perhaps there's some other fragrances, candles, whatever you like. Touch your hands. So maybe there's a special soft blankie, something that's comforting to you, calming. Maybe it's a special pet that you can have sit on your lap while you're spending time looking at this picture, burning the candle, hearing the music play. And then the last one is the mouth taste, okay? So perhaps some gum, some tea that can be calming and soothing. Chamomile is another traditional, very calming type of tea. We want to have it be a healthy snack, okay? So this you can use. You can just assemble your kit and have it at the ready and use it whenever you need it. All right, I hope that you found this helpful. Please feel free to contact me at my website below, call or email. I'd be very curious to know what your thoughts are on this. And I hope that you can implement this and this will help. All right, have a great day.